Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we've got a game changer for your next party or game day gathering. The ultimate buffalo chicken dip. It's creamy, spicy, and downright addictive. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this one. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on delicious recipes like this one. Ingredients. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups shredded cooked chicken, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup buffalo sauce, 1/2 cup ranch dressing, 1/2 cup blue cheese crumbles, 1/2 cup diced green onions, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Step 1. Shredded chicken. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken or cook and shred your own. Step 2. Creamy base. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to the bowl. Mix it well with the shredded chicken until you have a creamy base. Step 3. Cheesy goodness. Time to add the cheesy goodness. Toss in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and don't be shy, the more cheese, the better. Step 4. Spicy kick. Pour in 1 cup of buffalo sauce to give your dip that spicy kick we all love. Adjust the amount based on your spice preference. Step 5. Creamy ranch. Add 1/2 cup of ranch dressing for that extra creaminess and a hint of tangy flavor. Step 6. Flavor boost. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly. Step 7. Blue cheese magic. Gotta have that blue cheese magic. Add 1/2 cup of blue cheese crumbles to elevate the flavor profile. Step 8. Green onion garnish. Finish it off with 1/2 cup of diced green onions for a fresh, crunchy kick. Step 9. Baking time. Transfer the mixture into a baking dish, spreading it evenly. Pop it in the preheated oven for about 20–25 minutes, or until it's hot and bubbly. Final touch. And there you have it, our ultimate buffalo chicken dip. Garnish with more green onions and blue cheese crumbles. Serve it with tortilla chips, celery sticks, or your favorite dipping vehicle. Thanks for joining us today on Spice World Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!